Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, Pinay Wanderer. It's me here, Grace Golin. And I'm super excited today because I have something special to share with you guys. So, a product called The Good Stuff from the Wellness. So, I have the product right here. I haven't opened it yet. And let's dive right in and unbox this. So first off guys, let's take a moment to appreciate this minimalistic yet elegant packaging. So it's actually giving me all the right vibes. So what's inside the box actually? So I have this healthy coffee brand that's truly unlike any other. So I have this coffee booster flavored mocha, and I have this other box right here, and let's see what's inside of this box. Can't wait. Okay, I have this. Another coffee booster, and it's flavored cinnamon. And another one is this recovery gummies. It's hibiscus cherry. It's flavor. I have what's in this? A scooper. And oops, what is this? Is this a mug? I think this is a mug. It's a big mug. I think this is a mug or a jar for this one. I don't know, but yeah. Oh, this is actually cool. That's it. That's it. This amazing products, guys, was actually founded by none other than a Golf Hall of Famer Phil Mickelson and top elite performance coach Dave Phillips. So why I am excited about this coffee? Well, it naturally enhances all the benefits of coffee without that jittery sensations you might get from having a little too much. So the Good Stuff coffee is crafted with ingredients like Himalayan pink salt, L-theanine, collagen, cinnamon, and C8 MCT oil. So these are all great for improving inflammation and supporting joint health, which is fantastic for athletes, especially golfers. So guys, I use instant coffee. I don't like the brewed coffee, so I use instant coffee for my coffee. So it's already in here. I pour it. Then let's add water. Then let's add this coffee booster. Just one scoop. It actually smells good. So guys, it's really easy to prepare. Just add this to your favorite brewed coffee, but I normally use instant one. And just add one scoop of this coffee booster to your coffee. It actually smells good. So it's very easy to prepare. So the smell is very delightful, and let's see, and let's taste this. Oh, it's hot. It actually tastes absolutely amazing. So I can really taste that rich, smooth coffee flavor with hints of what, cinnamon on it, and it is really good. Honestly, guys, this is the coffee we've been waiting for. So it's packed with healthy benefits and it tastes absolutely delicious. So it's really perfect for keeping in peak physical condition while loving your daily brew. So if you're into staying healthy and enjoying a good cup of coffee, then definitely want to check out the good stuff from the wellness. Many athletes, particularly golfers, love it, and any other sports, it will give you boost, of course. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more. Also, let me know in the comments section if you've tried the good stuff from the wellness or plan to try it. Would love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, stay curious and inspired. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.